All of the lights except the hazard warning lights, headlight high beams, and flash to pass are controlled by switches to the left of the steering column on the instrument panel. Turn the control to the first to 10 for parking lights. Turn to the second to 10 for headlights. You can also turn the control to the auto position. In this position, the headlights will turn on or off automatically based on the surrounding light levels. The dimmer control switches control your instrument panel lights, map lights, and other interior lighting. With the parking lights or headlights on, or with the switch in the auto position, rotate the dimmer control on the left to adjust the instrument panel lights. Rotate the dimmer control on the right to adjust the other interior lights. To activate the front fog lights, turn on the parking lights or the low beam headlights, or with the switch in the auto position, push in the headlight switch control. Pushing the headlight switch control in a second time will turn the fog lights off. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.